The Father's Day weekend saw storms once again in portions of north central Kansas and south central Nebraska, bringing with it lots of hail, lots of wind, some tornadoes and straight line winds in many areas, also some precipitation. Maybe not as much as what some had expected, but still, nonetheless, it's good to always see some sort of precipitation. The photos and videos that you are seeing are from Ag View, as on Sunday afternoon we toured portions of Phelps, Harlan counties in Nebraska, and Phillips County in Kansas. We traveled along Highway 183, and so many of the photos that you are seeing are those of hailed out corn or soybeans that were smashed. We counted well over 20 to 30 pivots that had been rolled and were wheels up. Also, some fences down, hay bales moved, and lots of damage, though, in the Alma, Nebraska area. At the time on Sunday, most of the town was without electricity. Some generators were going, but the community was helping and picking up the tree limbs and working on clearing the streets. And there will be lots of construction work to be done, plus more evaluation as the day goes on. As we moved south on the state line, we did see some damage of some corn from wind, but maybe a little bit of hail, but still looks like it might be salvageable. Some wheat along the way also was knocked down, but still ripening and probably will be able to be harvested. And as we got into Phillipsburg, a bin on the north end of town had been blown over into the railroad tracks. You'll find that in the last picture. Storm damage assessment on Father's Day weekend. For Ag View, I'm Ken Rogers. And the video will continue running for about a minute, minute and a half. So if you would view the pictures and give your assessment of how you think things look. Thank you so much for viewing our videos, and there are other videos as well at agview.net. I'm Ken Rogers.